Hey guys, today we are doing another slime video. We are gonna open it now and see what's inside. Whoa! Confetti and some loops to stamp it. Ooh. We have so many colors. White, red, blue, orange, red. There's so many more. Purple, pink. I would like to do yellow. Now we're gonna open it. I'm gonna grab some scissors and come back. Now let's open it. We have beautiful yellow slime. Now I'm gonna pick what to put in. Some beads, palm, some watermelons, and these some more colorful palms. I would like to do these beads. Oh, and this is my dog, Chloe. Let's open it. Open the lid. Whoa. This is all I want to put. Oh, it's already sticky. Let's mix it up. Whoa. I want to add something else. First, let's close it so you don't get the spillies. I would like to do these little things, but we're gonna have to be really careful because these are glitter and we might spill, but it's okay. And we have different color. Since last time I got purple, maybe I'm gonna get purple. You're gonna have to be really careful. Let's get purple out. Maybe I'm gonna choose a different one, like this. White, blue, purple, green, golden. Yeah, I'm gonna decide golden. It is a really good color. Here is golden, the ultimate color. It's almost the same as yellow, right guys? Now we're gonna pour it in. Take the lid off carefully. Maybe we just open it to loosen it a little bit. Now we just gonna wait a couple of minutes to open it and let's see.
I'm going to open it.
Now my mom's gonna open it. And so far our slime is good. It's not sticky like the last video.
Here you go.
And guys, here is the glitter. Add just a little bit. That's how much I want to put in. Maybe I'm just gonna add a little bit more. There we go. This is how much we left. We have so much left. Now we're gonna close it good. Now, whoa, the glitter stuck to me. Let's maybe not get that much glitter. Stick the glitter. Tsunami! For the glitter! Roll it, and when we open it inside, glitter! And guys, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. Now we're gonna play with it a little bit more. First, I would like to do a crab. We have to first take all the slime off to make a real crab. Whoa! Look at our crab. Long crab. This is the hooks. And this is the head. Bye guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.